Hello, welcome to this YouTube channel. And on this video, I'm going to be telling you, putting you through and showing you a website, a free website whereby um it gives you the opportunity to get a lot of traffic to your social media handles at a time. That is, you can get subscribers on YouTube by adding your link there, your YouTube channel link. You can get the same people to hit your Facebook, follow your Facebook follow your Facebook page, and follow your Instagram, your email, your WhatsApp, Telegram, any kind of link you want to add to it. So it's actually very there. It's there. So this is a very cool marketing will I say marketing tool. Do you understand? Marketing tool website. So the actual website is, we are going to be going to link. This is linktr.ee. Okay. So actually, if you are to pronounce it once like that, this is linktree. So we are going to just say link tr no space dot ee. Okay, so let's go to the website, and the thing you're going to actually do is, let's check the pricing. Okay, so once you check the pricing here, let's see the pricing here. You're going to see one link with a whole lot of power. Pick your plan. Okay, so this is $6, paid plan or something like that. So we have the free, forever free. So it says all the basic that help your audience discover your most important content. Link to as many places as you need with unlimited links, unlimited, seamless collect emails, phone numbers, and payments from your audience. Customize your link tree from a selection of built-in themes. Track how many total views and clicks your link tree has generated over its lifetime. Embed video content directly into your link tree. So this is actually very cool stuff. Okay, you could get with just one link, you could input your subscribe button, that is your YouTube channel, your Facebook, Twitter, different kind of things. Just mention it. Okay, so the next thing you are going to actually do is, let me go back to the home page. The only link you ever need. Okay, connect audiences to all of your content with just one click. Okay, so let's just do it. Let's click on get started for free. This is actually how it is. Okay, so I'm just doing this to show you everything, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Reddit, different kind of social, and how do we used to call this stuff, yeah, LinkedIn, different kind of messenger. So they are different. Okay, use it anywhere. Take your link tree wherever your audience is, to help them to discover all your important content. That is, so whenever, basically, when you have a YouTube channel, you have a YouTube channel, or you have your audience maybe on Instagram or any social media handle. So the best way to quickly direct them to your other handles is come in here, sign up for this link. Once you sign up, input all your links, that is, link them to that place. You could as well make a small video, that is like a small video, attach it to that stuff, that is to guide them on how to follow all those links. And that is actually the best thing this is actually how it's going to look. Like, you see, join my SMS subscribers. They're actually showing shop my merch. They're actually showing you a preview of how it's going to do. So the next thing is, enough of a tour or something like that. I'm an African. So the next thing you're going to actually do is, we are going to register. Okay, so let's click on register for free. Okay, let's click on register for free, get started for free. So once you click on get started for free, so it's still loading, you are going to get to the registration page. Okay, I'm already logged in. Let me log out right now. I'm going to log out right now. Okay, so just to walk you through some um actual steps or something like that. So let's click on sign up for free. let's click on sign up for free. So if you have a phone, you can sign up. This is actually, I'm actually using a mobile phone but slanting it into the desktop view, so letting those people that are using desktop know that you can actually use this, supports your mobile browser and your desktop computer browser. Okay, so you could just slant it back to a mobile view or something like that. So thank you for understanding, and this is actually how it is. Create an account for free. You are going to input your email, your username, your password. You are going to click here, and you're going to click sign up with email. Once you click on sign up with email, and you get what I'm saying now, an email will be sent to your phone, to your email, and you are going to see this next page that I'm going to show you right now. Okay, so you're going to see this page that I'm going to show you. Then you're going to get to a page after you've signed up, putting in your email, putting in, choosing your username, and you know all that stuff. You'll be told, you'll be taken to a page. I get what I'm saying now. This actual page. So they will tell you, we just need to confirm a few things. Tell us your full name. Let me say I want to enter my full name. Ayo. Let me just say Ayotola. That's my full name. Okay, if you want to enter, maybe like 2 to 3 names, you can do that. Okay, so for this video I'm going to input just one name. So tell us about yourself. Select up to 3 categories that best describe your link tree. So we customize your link tree experience based on what you select. So like now I'm going to select business professional, internet and technology. Let me just select this one as well, publication and digital media. I hope I'm very correct. So let me just do that. Okay, so once I do that, the three has been done. So I'm going to click on I'm not a robot. So let me just confirm parking meter. So we have parking meter here. We have, this is a parking meter, this is a parking meter, and this is another parking meter here. So let me click on verify. So it's verified. Let me click on continue. Okay, so as I click on continue, pick your plan free. You are going for free. So if you want to go for the pay version, you can go for that. Okay, but I'm going for the free version. Okay, you don't need to be paid or something like that. So you can click on show key features. You see it, unlimited links, collect payment directly from your link tree. Wow. Customize your link tree with built-in themes, track how many people view and click on your link tree, add video content directly on your link tree. That is, you can add video content in order to encourage a lot of people that these are the links linking to your social platform, that is your Facebook, your Instagram, your YouTube. So you could just tell them, fine, okay, fine, click on all the links, just to direct them in the little embedded video stuff. You get what I'm saying? So they could be able to click on all those links and follow your social media platforms, and you get more YouTube subscribers by doing that. You get what I'm saying now? So that is actually how it works. So let's scroll down, let's click on sign up for free. Okay, so once we do that, thanks for signing up. To verify your account, click on the link sent to your inbox. Okay, this is actually my email. So I'm going to click on continue to my link tree. So you should know that you go and open your email, then you confirm this actual that is, you're going to confirm, what do I want to say, sir? You are going to confirm your email. I get what I'm saying now. So this is actually how it is. Or let me just take you to my email. Let me take you to my email, because I'm actually using a mobile phone right now. Let me take you to my email. Okay, so this is actually my email, Gmail. Let me take you to my Gmail. This is, let me choose the account. Okay, this is my email. Verify your email to activate your link tree. So I'm going to click on it. So let's click on verify email, and link tree verify. Let's see how it is. Let's see how it is. Okay, so your account has been verified. Let's click on continue. Okay, so the account is actually verified like that. So this is my link tree dashboard. That is my dashboard, the end user or something like that. So that is actually how it is. So this is it. You can add new links to it. So if I want to, this is the link to my link tree if I want to share it to people. So this is actually how it is. So you could just, when you want to register, I get to answer, this was the actual username I chose. So the thing was like the subdomain of this link tree stuff. So you could just, in your username stuff, you could just use the name of your YouTube channel, the name of your business, or the name of your your page, or anything you want to use. Just use it. So once you've customized all this and you share this, you click on share, and the link is being copied. Are you get one? Because I've not created anything, you can't see anything here. Are you get what I'm saying now? So once you click on share or you copy the link, then people will see what you've customized. All the YouTube link, your YouTube channel link you've added, your Facebook page link you've added, and your Instagram link. So this is the link. We could just add new links. Click on new links, then you add your YouTube channel link. You could just you know add a new link as well. Input your page link, add a new link, then input your Instagram link. So let's go to appearance. Okay, so these are very simple stuff. Once you go to appearance, let's see then the profile title will be something. Let's just say, let me just say something like online hostel, the name of my YouTube channel, of this YouTube channel you're watching, and marketing. Okay, so that is actually how it is. So let me click on back. Okay, the bio, we could just say something like make money online and learn how to get more sales. Okay, and learn how to get more sales. Okay, then the themes, we could just choose this one. These are the free themes or something like that. These are pro stuff, so you don't want to go there. They are paid version or something like that. You could choose this leaf. You could choose anything you don't see padlock on it. Okay, so background pro or something like that. Then let's choose something again. We see something like, you could as well. Okay, background, these are for pro stuff, that is custom appearance, that is customizing your own stuff, putting your own picture or something like that. So it's not available, buttons or something like that. So that is actually how it is. Okay, so that is actually how it is. This thing has a lot of features, so you just need to, you know feel free to explore everything. Let me choose a theme. Let me choose this one. Let's choose this one. Okay, let me choose that one. We have the appearance. Once you pick your team like that, you pick your team, then the next thing you're going to do, all these things that you see down here, they are pro versions. Okay, you can see all of them, they are being locked, they are pros. So you don't want to go there. Okay, so just pick your free team here. You pick your free team, or you see some other free teams here, you can pick them. Okay, so for this video, I'm going to choose this. So once I choose that, then the next thing I'm going to go for is, I can choose, click on the settings. Let's go to the settings. Let's check the settings. Okay, so these are social links. Okay, where you want those people to, where you want people, whenever they land on your Linktree page, that is the landing page, where you want them to click. All those social icons you want them to click, maybe your YouTube channel or something like that. So it's actually here. So these are your social links: email, Facebook page URL, Twitter handle, Instagram username, YouTube URL, SoundCloud, Bandcamp URL, LinkedIn URL, Clubhouse URL, Substack, WhatsApp, Telegram URL, Signal, Twitch, Patreon, Cameo, Pinterest, TikTok, Spotify, Amazon, Apple Music, Snapchat, different Android Play Store. That is your app. You could just get, people directed to your app. So this is a very, very good marketing stuff. So you need to get used to it. You need to start using it. Are you get what I'm saying now? You need to start using it. You need to start using it. Let's check this SMS sign up. I'm just trying to work us out. Okay, these are pro stuff. They are for pro versions. Email sign up, SMS, and they are for pro versions. So that is actually how it is. You go to socially, input everything. So let's go to let's explore. Okay, these are for pro versions. Let's click on the pro. Actually, you don't want to do anything on that pro stuff because we are actually going for the free version. So if you enjoy their stuff, you could just go for pro version. I'm not here to market anything. I'm just giving you raw value here. Okay, what I know that is going to actually benefit you. Okay, let's go back. Let's press the back button. So uh that's actually how this thing is. So if you input everything and you actually save it, then when you click on share button, you copy your link, you send it out there, then you'll be able to direct people to different links, different type of link. Let's click on that link. Let me just see it. You don't have any link to, okay, title and URL, blah blah blah, pictures and so on and so forth. So just try this out. Copy my link tree URL. Okay, okay. So let's try this out. Okay, let's actually try this out, and let me go to my link tree address. This is my link tree address. Let me go to it. Toluayo. Okay, so this is actually how it is because I didn't set anything there. And you get what I'm saying now. So this is actually how it is. So thank you very much. I would like to know your progress, and if you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section, and I love to converse with my subscriber. So thank you very much, and I love you all. Ensure you subscribe, hit the like button, drop your comments, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you.